Now a look at who's hiring.
A West Michigan company looking for 200 new workers.
24-hour News 8's Tony Calavia is live outside GE Aviation in Cascade Township with a look at the jobs and the impact they'll have. Tony?
Good evening, Sue and Rick. Oftentimes when we talk about China and Michigan in the same sentence along with jobs, the word you usually expect to hear right after is loss. In this case, the explosive growth of the Chinese population, the growth in that economy is leading to jobs in West Michigan, and not just for highly skilled workers.
Those kind of jobs are critical to support more food being sold at Meijer's, somebody cutting more hair, somebody being able to buy a dozen roses, somebody buying that extra pair of shoes.
Not to mention buying cars and houses. That's the ripple effect of high-paying jobs. Birgit Close of economic development group The Right Place figures each of the 200 or so engineering jobs at GE Aviation will create 2 spin-off jobs.
So we're talking really 600 jobs.
Those original 200 workers, software and systems engineers, along with program managers, will be working on the new 150-passenger C919. The Chinese national aircraft company Comac is planning to build it, and a partnership between GE Aviation and a Chinese government-owned aviation firm will create the display and maintenance systems as well as the processing system, the brains of the plane.
The passengers won't see it directly, but everything that airplane is doing is a result of the equipment that we put on that airplane.
GE Aviation first announced the partnership and the jobs in November. Site leader George Kiefer says 100 engineers are working on the program already. The eventual total, more than 200 working the program based in Kent County. Some will move from other GE projects. Company leaders say others will be hired locally, nationally, and around the world. The first C919s aren't expected to fly commercially until 2016. Once they do, GE Aviation's partnership will also be responsible for supporting those systems its workers created.
And that will maintain jobs for a long period of time.
GE Aviation site leader tells us some of the systems it plans to use for this Chinese aircraft are similar to ones it's already providing for Boeing's 787 Dreamliner. If you think you're qualified for these engineering or program manager jobs, we have a link to GE's career website inside our story at woodtv.com. Live at GE Aviation in Cascade Township, Tony Tagliavia, 24-Hour News 8.